Well, finally got the GoPro camera to record. Good morning. Today is Monday, June the 12th, 2021. Started the bike ride at 54 minutes after 9. Several cars lined up behind me here. Pull over to this, keep to the side. I'm riding the Canyon Endurace CFSLX bike today. Weather today, 77 degrees. Not sure why it actually went down a couple degrees from when I got up. Wind is out of the south at 5 miles an hour. Mostly cloudy to overcast. There is some rain to the north of around Cleveland, Cold Spring, that direction, but it's been breaking up over the last hour or two. Today's route, I'm going to go to ride Spring Creek Greenway. The last time I rode it, I think it was like the 1st of July, and the person left a comment that on the west end they had opened up a new section about 3.5 miles. 3.5 miles further on, so I'm going to go check that out today. Not sure where exactly that connects in, because a couple weeks ago I didn't see any pending construction, but maybe, or access, I don't know. We shall see. I stopped on the Bevel-Gerald Bridge on the way to the I-69 Spring Creek Greenway trailhead. The sky to the west looks threatening, as it does to the north. South is not so bad, nor east. I don't remember ever getting caught on the Greenway in the rain. There are places along the way for shelter. We'll see how it works. Mondays are a tough day to bike without and avoid the rain. Last Monday I got caught in the rain too. Approaching the trailhead, looks like there's 6 vehicles. The sky looks dark up ahead. Hopefully I'll make it to Jesse Jones Park before it starts raining. I'm on the leaving the west side of Jesse Jones Park. Next trail at Carter Country is 3.4 miles, the sign says. Looks like the dark clouds have dissipated a little bit to the west, and maybe to the north. I can't really see. The man playing the trumpet. The rest of the pavilion there. End of the Spring Creek Greenway. Supposedly there's an extension, but I don't see anything. There's something over there, but it looks like it dead ends into the trees. So, the commenter on my video for the last trip said that it went on, but I don't see it. No continued. So we'll head back. The 12-mile marker on my way back to the I-69 trailhead. creek is definitely higher than it was the last time I was here. We've had a whole lot more rain.